Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to create an email alias in Proton Mail. First, open the Proton Mail and log in. Click your profile icon in the top right, then select Switch or Add Account. Click Add Proton Account and sign in if you haven't already. Once in, click the settings, then go to all settings. On the left menu, click Identity and Addresses. Here you'll see an option to add or manage aliases. Note, you'll need a premium plan to create multiple aliases. Customize your alias email and display name as needed. And that's it. Now you're ready to manage emails with style and privacy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.